I'm Rob North, and this is the Craftsman Universal Max Access Socket and Ratchet Set. Serious jobs require serious tools, and definitely don't have any place for weakness or wiggle room. This set has a max access design, which means it's low profile to get in tight spaces. It has pass-through sockets, so long bolts or threaded rods are no problem. This design makes it up to 40% stronger than traditional ratchets. Plus, you can use these sockets on 6 different types of fasteners, thanks to the universal design. Craftsman Universal Max Access sockets are available in both inch and metric. This gives you a more precise grip on fasteners, so you can get maximum torque without stripping bolts. Other brands claim to have one set of sockets that's just good enough to fit both inch and metric, but their sockets don't give you the grip, control, or precision you need. Just look at them slip off this partially rounded nut. The Craftsman Universal Max Access socket will grip partially rounded or strip fasteners and delivers torque and ratchet action to get the job done. These are serious sockets for jobs with no wiggle room. If you need a ratchet set that's strong, trustworthy, and made by America's #1 brand for hand tools, then do yourself a favor and pick up the Craftsman Universal Max Access Socket and Ratchet Set.